So we'll start some issue finding. Okay, some other issues. This is one or two, maybe not mention the notes, but I will tell normally. So Wi-Fi related means internet related. First we'll discuss, then some connectivity related. Okay, up to here it is. So connectivity related, connectivity completed. Okay. Okay, so here it is. Check the LED status. For example, you are getting a problem with the internet. So how to check? So already we discussed. Open the browser and open some website if you are able to access. So it is internet is working fine. If you are not getting, you are getting some issues like cannot be accessible kind of stuff. Okay, so then you feel internet is not working, but you should confirm that internet is working or not, right? So thing is, from your ISP to your Wi-Fi router and from your Wi-Fi router to your device, there is two things are there. Okay, two things are there. So if you are not getting internet, how you understand which side it is problem? Is your laptop or your Wi-Fi router, or it is a ISP service provider? Okay, how can we understand? You tell me, Kusum Kumar.
No, sir, no, sir. Mistake is clear.
Okay, no. Okay. So here it is. If your WAN LED is blinking green, it means your internet LED is there. WAN LED or internet LED, so globe symbol is there. It means from your internet from outside to inside is good. From this one, internet to your Wi-Fi router is good. Okay, that is your green LED is blinking. Okay, it is good. Sometimes yellow light is blinking. You know, some routers has single LEDs that shows the WAN link is yellow color. WAN link is yellow color means mostly it is cable related problem. Means from your router to internet cable is there, no? That your telephone cable or UTP cable, fiber optic cable is disconnected, properly not connected, or maybe somewhere means from your home to the junction box somewhere it is a cable is problem. Okay. So next one is red color. If in case it is showing red color means red color or not LED, no LED blinking or red color. It means no internet from outside to inside. Okay. So by LED status, we will understand the connectivity status. That is one. If internet is not working after installation of Wi-Fi router, or maybe sometimes you install working fine, later it is not working. Or immediately not working, maybe after 2-3 days it is not working. You know, so when even last time, last few 2 months, 3 months back, I think we got a Wi-Fi router, so Airtel connection only. So first time it is working, after that it is disconnected. I called the guy immediately and asked him. He said he came and check it. So it will happen for first 24 hours. Later it will connect. Okay. Of course. Okay. So important is I didn't configure it. He configured it. So I don't have any problem with that. But sometimes you configured it and still not getting the connectivity. It means one is important is are you given correct name, password, and connection type is given correct or not. And another one is your user ID is activated at service provider level. Okay, that is thing. Okay. Second one is you already configured working after 2-3 days or 5 days or maybe after 1 month or 2 months. internet is not working. So again, you check the things and it is showing some red color. Then what you have to do? Log into the Wi-Fi router, log into the Wi-Fi router, check WAN is giving an IP address or not. At a WAN side, are you getting an IP address or not? If you are not getting an IP address, check username, password, and connection type is correct. Is any changes are occur? No changes are occur, but it is good. And still you are not getting Wi-Fi connection. Okay, then try to log out or reboot your Wi-Fi router from your browser itself. You can reboot your Wi-Fi router and check it again. Still not working? Give the complaint to the service provider. As a service provider, what they will check it first? If you are not getting internet and you call to the service provider, then what service provider will check it? Did you pay the bill or not? Okay, the bill time is completed. Bill time is yesterday, like 18th, bill time is completed. Today, 19th, internet is not working. Then what to do? You must pay. They will tell, first pay the bill, then you will get internet. Internet is stop working because of the user not paid the bill. That is one chance. Second, sometimes in the surrounding areas, some outrage will happen. I paid the bill and I received a message. I think it is 3-4 days back on. I received a message. The message telling that your internet service is restored successfully. Sorry for your inconvenience. But I don't know. Internet is disconnected because I'm not there at home. Right? I came to our office. But what happened? Maybe in the surrounding some upgradations will happen, repair will happen. Means that cables are going from one junction box to another junction box that need a power supply, some power outages, connection issues, some updates related, some cables changes related issues. So sometimes internet will be disconnected. So when you call to the service provider has to give a proper answer for you because in the surrounding there is some small thing is happening. So maybe it will be restored in 1 hour. So they must aware of update about the issue. Okay. And another point is before it is going to be disconnected for 1 or 2 hours, they must send a message to you. They must send a message to the user. So yes, from this point to this point, there may be a disturbance in the internet connectivity. Please, sorry for your inconvenience. That is before some disturbance occurs because they know something is going to be bad. Okay, something is going to be problem, then people not getting internet if they are doing this maintenance work. They have to inform to the users, then they have to start the maintenance. Once completed, make sure everybody is getting internet. Okay, that is a second one. What is the first one? You are not getting internet and you confirm that is, you check your Wi-Fi router, LED status, backside cable, you power off, power on the Wi-Fi router, still you are not getting internet. So then what you do, you call to the service center, means the support center of internet service provider. So what they will tell you, did you pay the bill or not? Okay, they will check your billing status. First one is billing status. User must pay the bill. So then only internet is available. First one. The second one, user paid the bill and the ISP is doing some maintenance work, maintenance, upgradations, some their network related issues are there at their ISP side or the main wiring connection side, there is a problem. They must inform to the user about the disconnectivities. Okay, if they didn't, their fault. So anyway, they must inform previously. In case something sudden occurs, some incident is occur. Incident means before something it is happened, it won't come. No? So incident is occur means already some place outrages came. Some people are not getting internet, so they have to go to that place. They send the people to that place and you make sure that is repaired. Immediately give inform. So there is a problem in the internet service because of this reason. And we will get back, mostly we are expected to get back internet connectivity back in a 1 hour or 2 hours like that. They have to give, even they know it, something went back already, something down is there. So they know it, and now they have to inform the users that is internet is somewhere it is there is some issues occur. So yeah, maybe your internet is not working for 1 or 2 hours. After that one, it will be restored successful. After restoration successful, they have to inform that restored successful. Still, if you are not getting internet, you must contact the service provider for your issue. Okay, like that, they have to maintain. Second, they don't know it. Somewhere your cable, it has happened a few years back to me also. The cable is going to the rooftop, right? So from there it is cable. Someone cut my cable. Someone cutted the cable. Okay. So what happened? So we don't know what happened. So we are not getting internet, and we called the guy. They said we'll come back tomorrow, day after tomorrow, when we'll be available like that. So finally the guys came and said the cable is cut. Then they repaired the cable, they put a new cable and restored. Because they don't know cable cutting issue at ISP level. Only the local technician so knows, like they have to come and check it. But you have to inform them, that is, I am not getting internet. So they will ask some questions. So LED status and all, already you have done that one. So only thing is cable cut. Like that, guys. So internet is not working does not mean only one point of thing. It may be different kind of stuff. Okay. So the point are there. So I told one point is that is bill payment. Second point is something upgradation or maintenance work is happening. Internet may be disconnected. That is ISP related one only. And the cable from your router to the main their junction box, somewhere it is disconnected, either your side or their side. So still you are not getting internet means they must check the connectivity cable also. Okay. And also I told your Wi-Fi configuration. So make sure that is your WAN connectivity configuration should not be changed. Should not be changed. It should be correct configuration, and once it is configured properly, and you should get a IP address from internet. Okay. So some places, some people change the configuration of WAN. So obviously you may not get it. So make sure that is you are connected. Okay. These are the things. Okay. So connected to your Wi-Fi router. So guys, I told in earlier story and I marked it one, there is a small flaw in this point. What is the flaw? Is if whenever you connect your Wi-Fi, your router to the PC with a cable, that is I told. But nowadays, you can connect it to your Wi-Fi router wirelessly also. Wirelessly also you can connect. Some default wireless default username passwords are there. So you connect your Wi-Fi router with a WAN cable and you power on your Wi-Fi router, and you can connect with your laptop from your laptop and mobile using Wi-Fi directly with the default username and password. Once you are connected, then you have to configure WAN and then Wi-Fi username and passwords. Once you confirm, disconnect it and connect with your newly created username passwords. Then configure remaining things. Okay. So also we are getting applications. Through direct applications, we can connect it to our Wi-Fi router with the Wi-Fi, and we can change all the kind of stuff. Okay. So that's why it is earlier, definitely you must connect with the wide, with the LAN cable, you have to connect it to your Wi-Fi router. Later on days, you can connect with the default Wi-Fi username and passwords, and mobile applications also there. With that one, you can connect it. Okay. Any which ways, you have to log into the Wi-Fi router, verify the configuration. Any changes occur at WAN related or internet related or DHCP related or SSID related configurations are changed. Okay. So that is also important. And some of the issues I've written here, it is password is compromised. What is password is compromised? You given a Wi-Fi password. You given a Wi-Fi password or your Wi-Fi router password is also there, right? So password is compromised. So if it is Wi-Fi router password, log into the Wi-Fi router and change the password. Compulsory change the password. Why? Because the same password for same model, same passwords are there. Username passwords are same. So compulsory change the Wi-Fi router password. Router password, not WAN password. Okay, right, next. Your Wi-Fi connection password. Wi-Fi connection password is there. So multiple people knows, like your entire your building knows your Wi-Fi password. Some people will put their phone number as a password. So someone will guess the password. So they will try with one or two the password phone numbers. They will easily, they know your phone number, automatically they will try to log in with your phone number in your home, someone's phone number, they will try, they can connect it. Okay. If he is a good person just using internet and leave, that is okay. But if he is using some torrent sites or some illegal websites, that is not good for you. Okay. So better not to share your Wi-Fi passwords to others, those who are not worth. So better not to do it. If in case it is compromised, log into the Wi-Fi router using your web browser or mobile application or Wi-Fi browser from your mobile laptop. Can connect it, go to the wireless session and then change the password. And these passwords are keep compromising, or if you change the password also it will affect on multiple devices. Again, you change the password means you have to change in the TV, your Wi-Fi, printer, your mobile phones, laptops, everything you have to change it. Then why it is do? So check it properly, log into your Wi-Fi router and check what are the devices are connected. Make sure that is any device is not belongs to you, then you can block the device. Or you can create a MAC binding. If you know how to check the MAC address of different devices, check their MAC addresses, give the MAC addresses in Wi-Fi router and tell the select only allow these MAC address devices, then it will connect it to those devices only. Okay. Yeah, this is a networking related issues. This is how to configure Wi-Fi router, unable to connect to your Wi-Fi. Unable to connect your Wi-Fi means, guys, for example, few years back, same our 70s office only. So I know the 70s, that SSID I know, and as well as a password I know. So I ask someone, they give me a password. So I click and select the name and give the password, click connect. But I'm unable to connect it. You know what happened in our 70s office? So what they done a MAC binding. Okay. Because of MAC binding, unable to connect it. So everyone is able to connect, but I am not able to connect because of those are already their MAC addresses are listed there. So they can able to connect. I am not able to connect. So I went to the service desk person, desktop support guy. So he removed that blockage and allow my MAC address to connect it. Okay. These issues we will discuss separately. Okay. I think already I told. Otherwise you can see. Unable to connect it to Wi-Fi router. Check the SSID name, password, MAC address, binding in yellow or deny list. Date and time of devices. Sometimes date and time changes. So then also we cannot able to connect because the encrypted connectivity is there. Data connectivity is encrypted. You have seen when we are doing that, yes, SSID. Okay. Data Wi-Fi related encryption connection. Log into Wi-Fi router, check WAN connection, check for IP address getting from ISP and connection status. That's what I'm trying to say. internet is not connecting, so check this connection. If it is there is a failure, then there is a problem. Make sure that is internet to your Wi-Fi router to LAN connection is there on that. Okay. These are the some of small issues, guys. The important is how to configure Wi-Fi router. So WAN port, SSID, DHCP, DNS configuration, router IP address configuration, router Wi-Fi routers and password changes, SSID, 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, related bands, their username, password connections are important. Okay. Once everything is set up, then check whether it is working or not. If not working, check the WAN connectivity mainly. Okay. Check the WAN connectivity. Okay. Connected to your Wi-Fi router carefully with your Wi-Fi router name. Okay. Are you getting IP address from Wi-Fi router or not? Based on your configuration, and then check the internet, and then check the WAN is getting IP address, LED statuses also. Okay. And already I told, if working, good. If sometimes like suddenly internet is not working, already I told what to check and what are the different issues. If you are not getting the internet, so what are the most possible causes are there? Okay. And how to change the passwords and the stuff also I told. Yeah. If you want to change the password, go there. Okay. This is internet setup. This is your router IP and DHCP setup. And next one is wireless setup. It is a given wireless username, and here also wireless username, and password is where the password is given. Wireless security, yeah, password is given. Change the passwords if it is compromised. Okay. Wireless MAC filter, give the MAC addresses, list the MAC address here, those devices required to connect. Okay. So this is what I'm trying to say. You guys understand about your Wi-Fi router connectivity and then issues, changes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. What I will do it, I think I shared this document again already. Already this document I shared. So except the last 4 or 5, all remaining, find out the solutions. And for last batch, for 8th batch, so I created one page. This is yours 9th. Yesterday I showed that one. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, I'm sharing this one right now, but on today's a Friday, right? Yeah, Monday. Okay, we'll discuss. Okay, Monday. Okay, good. Monday I will talk about hardware related troubleshooting first. Okay, once it is completed, then maximum my portion will be completed. Then I will going to discuss this one. Plus, I am update this file also. So what you will do tomorrow and day after tomorrow, you are free. So two things you do it. One is go to this SOP list and find out the different issues. Find out that solutions for those issues. First one. Second one is already we shared then that is some document, CGS document. Okay. In that one, there is a questions and answers also there. Some are only questions are there. Find out both questions and answers and only questions. Find out different answers for it. That is second task. Third task is if you have a time, then go to this last file. The list file contains the most of the topics, simple formats only. Not everything is not given, only for revision purpose. Okay, revision purpose. Go through once, just it will take 10 to 15 minutes time. You can easily revise most of the topics. Monday, I'm going to add some more points to inside. Okay, I'm going to add additional points like a cloud related, Office 365 related will going to be added. Once it is added, then it will become complete quick revision file. It helps you to whenever you want it, like whenever the interview time is there, then immediately can 1 or 2 days just you can revise it. Okay, that's the point. Okay, anything except asking for interview date?